Have you ever wondered why certain work environments energize you while others drain you completely? Or why some career paths feel like a natural fit while others feel like an uphill battle? The answer might be hiding in your personality type. Hi, this is Charlie from Career Factory. Today, we're diving into how understanding your personality can transform your career decisions and set you up for authentic success. Your personality influences virtually every aspect of your professional life, from how you communicate and make decisions to how you handle stress and collaborate with others. Yet many of us try to force ourselves into roles that conflict with our natural tendencies. Think about it. An analytical introvert might struggle in a high-energy sales role that requires constant interaction, while a spontaneous creative type might feel suffocated by rigid processes and detailed reporting. This mismatch doesn't mean you lack skills or dedication. It simply means you're working against your natural wiring. Understanding your personality isn't about limiting yourself. It's about making informed choices that align with who you authentically are. When you work with your natural tendencies rather than against them, you'll find greater satisfaction, less burnout, and often better performance. One of the most valuable tools for gaining insight into your personality is the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, or MBTI. This assessment helps you understand your preferences across 4 key dimensions. First, there's extroversion versus introversion, how you direct and receive energy. Extroverts typically gain energy from interaction with others, while introverts recharge through solitude and reflection. Second is sensing versus intuition, how you take in information. Sensors focus on concrete details and practical realities, while intuitives are drawn to patterns, possibilities, and the big picture. Third, we have thinking versus feeling, how you make decisions. Thinkers prioritize logic and objective analysis, while feelers emphasize values and how decisions impact people. Finally, there's judging versus perceiving, how you approach the outside world. Judges prefer structure, closure, and clear plans, while perceivers value flexibility, spontaneity, and keeping options open. These combinations create 16 distinct personality types, each with unique strengths, potential blind spots, and natural work styles. So how can you use these insights practically? Let's look at 3 key areas. First, career selection. Your personality type can suggest environments where you're likely to thrive. For instance, ENFPs, creative, enthusiastic idea generators, often excel in roles involving innovation, people development, and varied challenges. Meanwhile, ISTJs, detail-oriented, reliable organizers, might find fulfillment in roles requiring precision, consistency, and methodical problem-solving. Second, work environment preferences. Understanding your type helps you identify what you need to perform at your best. Do you thrive in collaborative, high-energy spaces or quiet, focused environments? Do you prefer clear guidelines or room for creativity? These insights can guide not just your job choice, but also how you structure your workspace and schedule. Third, communication and teamwork. Knowing your own style and recognizing others' preferences can dramatically improve professional relationships. When you understand that your detail-oriented colleague isn't trying to micromanage, but simply needs concrete information to feel comfortable, or that your big-picture boss isn't being careless, but sees the forest while you see the trees, collaboration becomes much smoother. If you're curious about your own type, I recommend visiting 16personalities.com for a free assessment. This platform offers a user-friendly version available in multiple languages, with detailed results that are particularly relevant to workplace dynamics. When taking the assessment, answer based on how you naturally are, not how you think you should be. There are no good or bad types, just different ways of perceiving and engaging with the world. After you receive your results, pay special attention to the career path section. While these shouldn't be treated as absolute rules, they can offer valuable insights into environments where people with your preferences often thrive. Remember that personality type is about preferences, not limitations. It's a starting point for self-understanding, not a box to confine yourself in. Use these insights as a compass, not handcuffs. The real power comes from combining this self-knowledge with your unique experiences, skills, and aspirations. Maybe you're an introvert who's developed excellent public speaking skills, or a spontaneous perceiver who's mastered project management. These adaptations don't change your core preferences, but they expand your capabilities. The goal isn't to choose a career based solely on your type, but to make choices with greater awareness of what will likely energize or drain you, where you might excel naturally, and where you might need to develop strategies to succeed. Understanding your personality type is like having a user manual for your professional self. It can help you make more informed career decisions, create work environments where you'll thrive, and build stronger professional relationships. This week, I challenge you to take a personality assessment and reflect on how your type shows up in your work life. Where are you working with your natural tendencies, and where might you be swimming upstream? The insights might just transform how you approach your career path. For a deeper exploration of how to align your career with your authentic self, check out this book, Future Proof: Build a Career That's You, where we dive into personality types and many other aspects of creating a sustainable, fulfilling career path. If you found these insights helpful, hit subscribe for more strategies to build an authentic career. The link to the free personality assessment is in the description below, along with a downloadable worksheet to help you apply your results to your career planning. Thanks for watching and have a great day.